Kunal and Nooresh on the show as always. Kunal, what explains this sudden drop?
Well, I think the last I could see was from the data from the options pack because throughout the day there were three different stances of option traders. So in the first half an hour or so when the markets opened up and settled out into a trading or flattish kind of a trading range, the skew was more towards shorting of the 41,000 call option. So between the 41,000 call and the 41,000 puts, the call writers were more often going into an upper hand. And in between, in just around the noon time is where the put writers started to get into a stronger breakout mode. But then I think the stance changed back again. So I think it's more of a shuffling of options positions, which I could gather in terms of the data, which has led to the intraday drop on the indices. The other way to look out for is that 17,700 mark has been tested now twice in the last two trading sessions, and there has been some supply which has come back into the indices at those levels, which means that there could be a stronger chance that the markets may get into a bit of a profit booking mode from here on. So I think what we've seen right now may probably be a start of the next couple of days of mild bit of profit booking, where 17,700 on the Nifty can remain a resistance, and possibly 41,000 on the Bank Nifty could remain a resistance. So keeping both of these resistances at play, we might see some bit of more tapering off on the indices.
Okay, so a bit of profit booking is what Kunal is sensing on the charts. But Nooresh, what about you? What kind of trade would you, recommend at this point of time at index level, whether Nifty or Bank Nifty?
So as of now, I would expect a couple of days or at least 2-3 days of consolidation. As closer to 17,500, 550 spot levels is where I would like to buy Nifty for an intraday trade. As of now, we are still stuck at 17,600. Overall, on the upper end, 17,800 is the next resistance. So expecting some bit of a pause, expecting more stock-specific action. We are seeing mid caps and small caps seeing some breakouts in particular stocks. PSU names are looking good. So time to be more stock-specific. Wait for some time for the index to consolidate at least a few sessions.